Nearly all aspects of the real estate business are ripe with opportunity, but seeing where these opportunities lie and how to profit from them can be tricky. So my guest today is offering a low-risk path for people who want to invest in these real estate deals. Tim Dye, the owner of Liberty Wealth Group, joins me for this sponsored segment. Good to have you with us, Tim.
Thanks, Robin. It's good to be here.
All right, before we explain what Liberty Wealth Group is, I want to talk about you and your experience here in Central Ohio, because you have been involved in this industry for quite some time.
Yeah, I started our first company in 2015, and so as we've talked about before, a lot of experience purchasing homes and duplexes and renovating for rental or for sale, and more recently we've expanded into larger projects. So it's been about 8 years.
About 8 years in that, and you have experience from both sides of things, I would imagine, from that kind of construction side to the business end of it, correct?
Absolutely, yeah. I brought some experience from the construction industry, but really most of my time these days is spent on the business side, talking to investors and our internal team and just, trying to grow the business.
So let's talk about Liberty Wealth Group.
Sure.
Tell us about it. Tell us how it is different.
So I started Liberty Wealth Group because I saw a need to help get the average person involved in real estate investing. A lot of people are interested in real estate, but they don't have the knowledge or the skill set to invest. They don't want to deal with contractors and tenants and do all those types of things. So this is really a great way for people to get involved in all the benefits of investing in real estate without all the pain points that are involved.
So you are hoping to bring in outside investors. Obviously, that is the opportunity here. So how does that work for someone watching?
Sure. So they reach out to us and we have a conversation, and typically somebody just invests in one of our larger projects, our multifamily projects, and they become a passive investor. So they are a minority owner in the business and they are an investor, and they're taking advantage of all the benefits that come along with that, which I'm sure we'll talk about. But again, without having to deal with all the scary pieces of it, contractors, tenants, all torn up properties, all that type of thing.
Well, and to that end, somebody sitting out there might think, I don't have any experience in this, right? I've never been in construction or real estate. Can they still do this? Can they still benefit from this?
Absolutely. Those are kind of the best candidates. Because, again, without all that experience, they're depending on us. We're the professionals, we're the ones with experience. We're going to take care of the analysis of the properties, working with property managers, contractors, all those types of strategic decisions.
And they don't have a hands-on role, right? They're not in there kind of taking part in any of that part.
No, we don't want them worrying about roofing or carpet or any of that type of stuff. No, that's our job. We're essentially collaborating with them and building up the capital as a group together and going in to purchase and renovate and manage these properties, but we're handling all of the hard work.
Okay, Tim, so then let's talk about the benefits. This is an investment. What are some of the benefits here?
There are outstanding benefits in investing in real estate. And many people are interested in it because they want to diversify their portfolio. They've been depending on only the stock market for a long time. And as we know, it can be very volatile. It's up, it's down. Watching your 401k rise and fall is scary. So this is a great way to diversify into real estate. So the benefits are that it's passive income. There is a quarterly distribution that we typically make. And it's also, there's incredible tax advantages. So, we use the tax code to depreciate these assets, and we're sharing that depreciation among all the investors and owners so that they can use that to help write off some of the other income they might be making from other sources. And owning real estate and investing in real estate is a great inflation hedge. As we all know, inflation has been high lately, and so when inflation is high, typically assets are rising along with the inflation, and so you want to own assets like real estate. And so this is a great climate to get involved in real estate investing.
And what about equity earned? Do investors take advantage of that as well?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yes. So as we own and manage the property, we're enhancing its value, we're improving the property, so the value is going up. And meanwhile, we're paying the primary loan down on the real estate, so the equity continues to grow. And we share that with all the investors at whatever event happens, whether it be a refinance or the sale of the property. We are distributing that equity among everyone involved.
All right, Tim, so people out there, how do they get started? Kind of give us all the information we need for them to connect with you.
Try to make it easy. You go to our website, libertywealth.group. That's the website. It's very clean, laid out, explains some of the basics. I think we might even have a QR code on the screen for people to scan for the tech savvy. Fill out very basic information, and we reach out and kind of take it from there and see kind of what their interest level is.
All right, perfect. So even if you're interested, call, kind of make that connection,
Sure.
get the conversation started for sure. So Tim, thank you.
Absolutely, thank you.